Welcome to Ingite. In this video, we'll walk you through the first steps to start using the platform, from downloading and installing the endpoint to viewing your first data in the dashboard. It's a simple, secure, and fast process. After accessing the Ingite website, enter Area 71. Log in with your Ingite account, and then click on Account Files to access the page where the Windows Endpoint installer is available. This is the page where you'll find the endpoint installation file. Download the Windows installer and save it on the device where the endpoint will be installed. Before starting the installation, it's important to verify the required allow lists in your antivirus or other endpoint protection solutions. These tools may block monitoring agents by default, which is expected behavior. The recommended allow lists are documented in our FAQ and ensure that the endpoint functions properly, collects data, and communicates with Ingite's servers. To begin the installation, run the installer as an administrator. Click Next. Review the terms of use, check the option to accept the EULA, and proceed to the next step. At this stage, you'll need to enter the Ingite account email address and the public ID. This information can be found on the same page where the installer was downloaded. After entering the information, click Connect to validate the credentials, then proceed to start the endpoint installation. The installation only takes a few moments, and once the process is complete, the endpoint will be active on the device. After the installer finishes, you can confirm the installation by opening the Task Manager, going to the Details tab, and verifying that the obutask.exe and www.task.exe processes are running. The presence of these processes confirms that the endpoint has been successfully installed. After installation, the endpoint automatically begins communicating with Ingite's servers. Depending on the network and environment, the first data may take a few minutes to appear. No additional action is required at this time. Returning to the Ingite dashboard, you'll be prompted to read and accept the EULA. Once completed, you'll be able to view the newly installed device. At this initial stage, Ingite already starts collecting and displaying device information such as hardware inventory, operating system details, and installed software, providing the first level of visibility into your environment. Reports and aggregated charts become more complete as additional endpoints are added to the environment. From here, you can continue installing endpoints on other Windows devices, explore policies, and configure controls according to your organization's needs. If you need assistance, our documentation and support team are available.